Makisayod ta sa iyang mga pahiyom about love and relationships. We have this morning ang usa sa mga bida sa Never Say Goodbye, Miss Lauren Young. Mayong buntag, maupay nga aga, Lauren, at welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kumusta?
Hi, I'm doing okay. Thank you so much for having me today on the show.
Kumusta yung naging past 7 months of your 2021, Lauren?
I think 2020 was really a struggle. So now that it's 2021, medyo mahirap pa din, of course. But I think everyone has been trying to adjust. Kasama ako sa mga taong yun. And I'm just trying to see and look forward for the future.
And kitang-kita naman namin yan sa mga game streaming mo din, of course, via your Facebook page na ang saya-saya mo ngayon kahit most of the time nakastay at home. Pero kailan ba ito nagsimula, itong pagkahilig mo sa online gaming?
Yung gaming, I think, ngayon lang siya nag-hit sa akin because nung pandemic na, hindi ko nakikita si Megan. And this was our way na mag-bonding kami. So we would have like family games and doon kami nag-hangout. And I decided to start streaming kasi in-encourage ako ng ate ko and ni Mikael. And it was a way for me to still kind of keep in touch with my supporters. And it also helped me with my anxiety. Pag may bagong game na lumalabas, ita-try namin siya at the same time as a family.
Saya naman. And since we're talking about games, Lauren, may palaro tayo this morning with our audience. So we call this Paspas Talk or in Tagalog, mabilisan na talk. Ayan, this is very easy. Magsasabi lang ako ng dalawang option and just choose one as fast as you can. So let's start.
Okay.
Cellphone or laptop?
Laptop.
Morning or evening?
Morning.
Shopping or stay at home?
Stay at home.
Vlogging or streaming?
Streaming.
Welcome or goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, Lauren, for being game sa game natin earlier. And speaking of welcome and goodbye, of course, we'd like to welcome you kasi we heard na this is your comeback show acting after 2 years. Ano itong project na ito na pagbibidahan mo, Lauren?
This project is called Stories from the Heart, Never Say Goodbye. It's directed by Paul Santa Ana and Pam Miras. And I'm with Clea Pineda, Sophie Serna, Jack Roberto, Max Eigenman, and a lot of other people as well. Ano siya? It's a story about si Joyce, which is played by Clea. She and Bruce, Jack Roberto, are magjowa and then they have dreams together. Unfortunately, because of circumstances, maghihiwalay sila. Victoria is someone who just wants to do right for her husband, but in the process, she loses a lot of herself. I think matutuwa ang audience in a sense na yung pag pinanood nila ako, hindi siya yung ine-expect nila. I'm vulnerable, I'm sensitive, I'm loving, and hindi naman ako yung parang pabida, hindi din ako pa-kontrabida. I'm a woman in pain.
And with that, we're very excited to meet your character, Victoria, at makita ka muli sa TV, Lauren. Kaya naman, please invite everyone to watch Stories from the Heart, Never Say Goodbye.
I hope panoorin niyo at supportahan ninyo ang Stories from the Heart, Never Say Goodbye. Malapit na malapit po yan dito sa GMA. And yeah, I feel like matutuwa kayo sa munting proyekto namin na to.
At aabangan talaga namin yan, Lauren. And thank you for joining us this morning.